I am Dr. Swati from Institute of Public Enterprise and one of the most premium management institutions in the city. Um, it was started way back in 1964, and from 1995 we are into management education. Before that it was more of a training and research, but after 1991 it is one of the famous research, training and management education institute. It is a non-profit society started by a board of IAS officers, and it is first the campus was at Usmania University, a very good infrastructure at Shamirpet. So the campus has world-class infrastructure, and it is worth visiting once. It is a green campus, certified green campus, and we have 540 students on roll as on date, and a lot of training programs which are going on, industry, consultancy and research work going on, and students are very well placed. The highest package this year was around 24.5 lakhs, and more than 100 students are picked up by Deloitte every year. So according to the placement, the students are very well placed. We have a lot of clubs. We have a summer internship program, and students are very well taken care of with the changing curriculum, with the industry experts.